guys, so we are ahead to Menjola Starbucks. Mamamasyal kami ng parents ko and to walk my dog na rin. This is my look for today. Nawawala yung clump ko. Fixing my hair, guys. And I'm going to SM Manila ulit kasi get my ID na. So, ang reason kung ba't ako pupunta nung sa last video ko is because of my ID, guys. Okay, I finally got my ID na, guys. Yes, I can finally get Gcash. Okay. Hi guys. So I'm here in Mega Mall with my dad. This one is so cute. So hi guys, we're about to eat na. Bye-bye. Dinner na namin. Yummy. Yung si dad ko. Si dad. So we're now in Dunkin' Donuts. We're ordering coffee. Kasi masakit yung puso ko. And ayun. Tsaka kaya actually dapat Starbucks yung bibili. Kaso Dunkin' Donuts kasi nandito yung crush ko. Nandito yung crush ko. Yung si Byunwoo Suk. Say yes, say yes. Okay. So guys, I've got my order na. Wow! Yay! Okay, so I'm done drinking my Dunkin' Donuts coffee. And I'm about to go to Bershka because I'm just going to window shopping kung ano maganda doon or na-slide ako. Na-slide na whatever. Hello. Itong si Mega Mall, alam niyo yung playlist ko? Si Dean. Have a couple minutes. Ngayon si Somber. Nakakasakit Somber. Today, actually this week has been like more on K-dramas and kain, tulog, linis, chores, ayun. And as you can see, this is me this week. Very, very homey. Okay, bye guys. guys, I'm in QC and nandito ako sa may Silicon Valley bodega sale, and I'm about to take a look. Baka may mabili ako. Turon! Okay guys, so I'm going to Pen Shop. Kasi sales nila ngayon sa Mega Mall. Kung magsusukat na ako ng clothes na napili ko. Yay! Okay, so first clothes. So next is ito. Actually, nung na-quit ako, may match na siya. So, I don't get the hype, pero ito siya. So next is this. So, ito siya. Next is this one. It's more plain. So, I think ito na lang. So, I'm about to buy yaw-yaw na lang since yung pinili kong top is may mancha na. So sad. Sadly, yun lang yung meron na napili ko. Currently, I'm waiting for my plain yaw-yaw since I'm on a diet. I have received my yaw-yaw. So I'm going to check out some clothes kasi sale sila ngayon. Actually, right now, I'm suffering sa heels ko. Sakit. I can't walk. So, kumuha na ako ng basket. Since feel ko, marami akong pipiliin. And, I need to choose a lot because my mom's gonna choose din. Kasi minsan may mga pinipili akong hindi bagay sa akin. So, sometimes, my mom chooses well. As well. My size is 26 sa waist ko. And, everything here is medium. So, medyo masakit. Oh, medyo wala kasi, hindi kasi nag-short guys. But I need to take a look for the price. Actually, I really don't need to choose. Ito na yung browns. I don't know how to choose. So, I'm trying to take a look. Kaya hindi talaga ako pati sa mga ukay-ukay. Kasi, I'm not good in choosing. This one here, 700 na lang. And this one is the separate one. This one po, at dito po ba kayo?
Ano po yun?
Yung 700 po, kasama na din po. Set na. Sige.
Kukunin niyo po ba ma'am? Isusukat?
Susukat kayo. I don't know what else is bothering me. More on like square. Ang bagay sa akin. These are the clothes that I got. So, I'm gonna try that. ChatGPT told me na mga ganitong tops yung bagay sa akin. I'll try. Let me see. Paano to? Ganito pala. So next is this. Okay, so the black was fine, but hindi ko siya trip. I mean, trip ko siya, but the color, no. It's no for me. So now, we are about to go home na. So I've got my order na. Case, gonna open later. Actually, hindi na ako makapaghintay i-open. I-open ka na siya habang naglalakad. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy! As you can see my reflection. Ayan yung fit ko ngayon. Yeah. Rusky! Rusky!
Williams contact address is not. Yes, sir. Will you kindly pay attention to your history lesson? I'm sorry. Could have one possibly pay attention to a book with no pictures in it? I pictures. Nothing
Bakit parang lasang gamot? Kasi ang ginawa ko, pinasabi ko, yung Coke float ko, gawin Coke Zero yung Coke float ko. Then, it's not my first time naman. Pero ganito yung lasa niya. So, dadalhin ko yung laptop ng pinsan ko. Pinapaayos niya sa akin. So, I'm here in Mega Mall na. Actually, Mega Tower is a full main parking na ng Mega Mall. So, nag-park kami here sa Mega Tower. So, pupunta ako sa mga makeup today. I'm going to check for foundation ng YOU kasi siya yung naging bagay sa akin last time. Kaso naubos na. So, I bought this. That's why. Looks naman siya. But, so I'm looking for a sunblock na may foundation. So, this retinol. Anti-aging. Is this effective? I'm gonna check. Review. Yeah. Jujutsu Kaisen.
₱30. Thank you.